Hey everyone, what's up? It's AlexRam1313 from AR Copware. This is going to be a quick little tutorial about gesture recognizers in Swift for your iOS or Mac project. Let's get right to it. Here we're going to work with iOS, however if you're working in a Mac it's the same thing. So in this program we have a blue background and a label that says press and hold me for lulz. And when you press and hold it, it displays lulz. Literally, this string lulz. Anyway, so this is a UI label, so make sure that user interaction is enabled if you're in iOS, or anything. Anyway, so if we scroll down our toolbar, we'll see something called a gesture recognizer, which detects the motions of the user, whether they tap it, pinch, rotate, swipe, pan from the screen, or for long press. You can apply this to any object, but how do we apply this? Or what do we do with it? Anyway, so we'll do that programmatically. Again, if you're developing for Mac, this is the same thing. So let's control click that little label over here to reference it. So LBL, lulz. Pardon my C# naming conventions. And in the viewDidLoad method, this is where we're going to define our gesture recognizer. So var long press gesture recognizer, because we're going to use a long press. Make your variable names make sense. UI long press gesture recognizer. If you're using a Mac, change everything that's UI to NS. I don't know why, just do it. I didn't make it. So that equals UI long press gesture recognizer and into the constructor. Come on, Swift. Or come on, Xcode. The target is self. And the action is the name of the function that's going to be triggered. So let's name it derp, and remember that colon. Anyway, so let's create the function derp without a return. It's a void. So func derp equals sender of type UI gesture recognizer. This is what's going to happen inside our code, or when we long press it. Let's go back to viewDidLoad. LPGR.minimum press duration equals the number of seconds you want it to wait to activate in a decimal, so 1.0. Let's wait 1 second before it does anything. And then let's apply it, so LBL lulz dot add gesture recognizer LPGR. Alright, so back in derp, because this is a long press gesture recognizer, we need to check the state. Whether it has already begun, it's going on, or whether it ended. So if sender.state equals UI gesture recognizer state dot began, this is when we're going to change our label to lulz. So LBL lulz dot text equals lulz. Else, and this is when you release it, so sender dot state equals UI gesture recognizer state dot ended. Don't ask me why they're using past tense. Ended. Then we're going to change that back to press and hold me for lulz. Cool. Remember, in Swift you don't need the semicolon. I just do that out of habit. So let's run this in our iOS simulator. Here's our app. Here's the splash screen. Let's press and hold this. Lulz. Let's release it. It's back. Lulz. It's back. Lulz. Anyway, so that's a quick tutorial on gesture recognizers in Swift for iOS and Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helps. Please subscribe. I have a huge video series coming up about simply timing. And that's taking a lot of time, so please subscribe if you care. Or, of course you care, you're watching this video. So just subscribe, okay? See ya.